welcome to the channel, Teresa Rene. So I'm coming on to do a review for you of the Soapbox coconut oil shampoo and conditioner. I was sent these products to try out and I have an opinion about them. I didn't know much about Soapbox until I was contacted about doing a review. So I went on their website and actually just looked around at the products that they have. I would tell you the price is phenomenal. I think this is like a 16-ounce shampoo and conditioner, and I think it's only like, if I'm not mistaken, like $8. If it's different, I'll annotate it on the screen here. But it's under $10. So where can you get a product really for that price these days for this amount, 16 ounces? So this is the shampoo, Moisture and Nourish. So it says here, it locks in moisture and repair dry, damaged hair with our coconut shampoo. We selected coconut oil, which is rich in vitamin E and K and fatty acids to help protect your hair by binding to your hair proteins. Nourish your hair by reviving it with the coconut shampoo and bringing moisture back to your locks. I will tell you that this is definitely a moisturizing shampoo, like a really moisturizing shampoo. So I think that, and the first time I tried it, I had like oil in my hair overnight. That did not work because I washed it, I shampooed my hair, but I felt like it just really didn't get it. But I had a lot of oil on my hair, so I've tried a few more times without all the oil on my hair, and I will say sometimes it performs to me like a co-wash. But I do feel like it really does lock in the moisture. Like, it does not strip my hair at all. So if you're looking for something that does not strip your hair, this is a great product to try. And the price, like I said, is phenomenal for how much you get. A little bit goes a long ways. And let's see. It smells good to me. I really like the smell on it. And I like the fact that it is a big bottle that you could just grab, you know, and pour. And you don't have to worry about it coming out. It has the snap top there. Just put it in the shower, grab it, pour it, boom, you're good to go. Now, the showstopper for me is this Moisture and Nourish conditioner. This conditioner is fabulous, and let me tell you, it says basically the same thing about the conditioner, the exact same thing really, basically on the back. It's an intense moisturizing conditioner. And it doesn't have any parabens, color safe. I do like the fact that it's color safe because I do color my hair black, of course. But I do like the fact that it is color safe. And it's just really good. It doesn't have any parabens, any silicones or anything like that. So the conditioner, y'all, let me tell you, I like the smell of that. I use this conditioner and I was just like, oh my goodness, this conditioner really performs very well. Now, I don't think that it really gives you instructions, yeah, I didn't think it did, on like how long to leave it on your hair or anything like that. But I mean, you could get away with 15 minutes with this. I did 30 each time I used it, but I really like how moisturizing and conditioning and nourishing feeling that it did leave my hair. So I would say with these products, considering the price, how much you get, it's definitely worth a purchase. I will probably at some point repurchase these because I really do like it that much. The shampoo, like I said, it sometimes it depends. Sometimes it performs more like a co-wash for me, but I do like them. Now, I would probably use this for a co-wash and then use the conditioner. But if you are interested in purchasing these, my link is in the description box below. You can get, I think it's like 10% off or something like that. But anyway, you can get a percentage off. I'll list it on the screen how much it is off. If you want to just give these a try, I definitely think it is worth the try. So if you have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the section below and I will get back to you as soon as possible, y'all. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel, and I'll holler back at you in the next video. Bye, girl. Okay, y'all, so the hair is really moisturized, really soft, and I got a lot of curls. I don't know if you can see it, but yes. Wow. Yeah. A lot